How to invite friends on PUBG Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add friends in PUBG Mobile so you can squad up and enjoy the game together. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, launch the PUBG Mobile on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account. So, if you have signed up with the Facebook, all your Facebook friends who play PUBG will automatically appear in your friends list. You can invite them to your squad directly, and if you don't see any friends, don't worry, I'll show you how to add them manually. To add manually, simply tap on the friends icon below your profile picture, and from there you can simply tap on add friends option. And here you will see the list of recommended players, or you can even search for a friend's username. Once you found the player you want to add, tap on the plus icon next to their name and the friend request will be sent to them. And once they accept your request, they will be added to your friends list. And once you have added friends, you can simply invite them to your squad and start playing together. And that's it. That's how you can add and invite friends on PUBG Mobile and start playing together. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.